ब्रेक के बाद आपका स्वागत है और अब बात करते हैं आईआईएम की एआई पर निकाली गई एक इंटरेस्टिंग रिपोर्ट की। इस रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक 55% व्हाइट कॉलर जॉब करने वाले एम्प्लॉय एआई का इस्तेमाल कर चुके हैं। वहीं 48% एम्प्लॉयज ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग ली है और कर्मचारियों ने माना है कि एआई की ट्रेनिंग का मौका उन्हें मिला है। भारत में व्हाइट कॉलर जॉब में एआई के इस्तेमाल को लेकर आईआईएम अहमदाबाद ने एक सर्वे किया है। संवाददाता केतन जोशी ने इस रिपोर्ट के ऑथर प्रोफेसर अनिंद्य चक्रवर्ती से खास बातचीत की है, देखिए।
So it has been there in the public domain for more developed countries. In the Indian context, I think we did not have a very good idea. The perception about the effect of AI on labor market has ranged from practically dystopia to utopia. It can be completely bad to, unforeseen gain in productivity. So here, as part of this report, what we wanted to see is what are the workforce's perceptions. How do they think the technology is changing? Do they see some benefits in that or not? So what we found, primarily two major points. Later on we will unveil the other points. The first one is that people have a very balanced idea. They are expecting a lot of disruption to happen, but they are not very worried about it or concerned about it as of now. So there is no dystopian outlook around it, and people do actually think that this is a good opportunity for them to get into a higher productivity path. The challenge is going to be how to maintain the balance between these two possible extremes, where we don't get into either a complete labor substituting kind of technology or complete seclusion from this highly productive technology. So we have to maintain a balanced path, and that, I suppose, is the takeaway from this report.
तो चाहे वो इंडस्ट्री हो, गवर्नमेंट हो, नॉन गवर्नमेंट हो, उनको और उनके वर्कफोर्स को क्या चैलेंजेस है और उनको क्या करना चाहिए ताकि एआई के साथ वो कदम से कदम मिला पाए?
We honestly don't have a very definitive answer to that, but one thing that we realized is that it cannot be solved by a single party. This cannot be solved individually by the workforce. It cannot be solved individually by the corporates or by the government either. We think that all three parties need to work together, and the market by itself possibly will not solve this problem. The government also has to play a major role.
तो आईआईएम की इस रिपोर्ट में हमारे लिए क्या है सीखने लायक बात और एआई अडॉप्शन के लिए हम कितने हैं तैयार? आज कंज्यूमर अड्डा में इसी पर करेंगे चर्चा शाम 5:57 पर।